If you've ever dreamed of a private farmhouse with room to roam, this is it. Nestled on 4.21 acres in Willis, Virginia, this charming property offers the perfect blend of rustic charm and modern convenience. Textures meet thoughtful updates. The main floor features two spacious bedrooms, including a beautifully renovated bathroom with a jetted tub and a new vanity. Modern comforts abound with three mini-split heating units installed in 2025 and updated Plex plumbing, making this farmhouse as functional as it is inviting. Upstairs, the full loft space offers flexibility for a third bedroom, office, or creative studio, adding even more versatility to this already practical home. Outside, the property is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with a log outbuilding, log springhouse, fire pit, and a stone root cellar building that harkens back to simpler times. Whether you're seeking a quiet retreat, a family home, or a place to indulge your hobbies, this Willis farmhouse provides it all. With acreage to explore, modern amenities, and timeless charm at every turn, it's more than just a home, it's a lifestyle waiting to be experienced. Schedule your private showing today and discover how country living should truly feel.